you tired of juggling multiple chargers and messy cables? Meet the Multiport Quick Charge 3.0 Power Adapter, your ultimate charging solution. With two USB-A Quick Charge 3.0 ports and two Type-C 25-watt power delivery (PD) ports, this compact device is designed to charge all your gadgets faster and smarter. With a sleek design and versatile functionality, this adapter promises to keep all your devices powered up efficiently. This compact yet robust charger features two USB-C ports, each capable of delivering up to 25 watt, perfect for fast charging your smartphones, tablets, or even small laptops. Plus, it includes two quick charging Type-A ports, ensuring compatibility with older devices while delivering rapid charging speeds. Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling, this charger is designed to support multiple devices simultaneously without compromising on speed. With a total power output of 100 watts, you can charge up to 4 devices at once efficiently and hassle-free. Portability is another win here. Despite its high-power capabilities, the charger is lightweight and compact, making it a great travel companion for those on the go. From charging your power-hungry laptops to wireless earbuds, this Multiport adapter adapts seamlessly to various devices. It's a one-stop charging solution for all your gadgets. The subtle LED indicator provides a clear, non-intrusive signal that your devices are charging, keeping you informed without unnecessary distractions. With its blend of speed, safety, and versatility, the 100-watt Multiport Quick Charge 3.0 Power Adapter is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their charging needs. A true powerhouse in a compact package. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gadget insights and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.